Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best table wood saws that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research, and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. Also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the DEWALT table saw 10-inch with foldable rolling table saw stand. This table saw really has it all. The assembly from box to saw-mounted stand took less than 20 minutes. Moving away from the conventional kickstand configuration, the DEWALT saw employs 4 folding legs that conveniently engage with the squeeze of a lever. This gives the saw a base of unparalleled sturdiness. Every accessory has a proper home on board the saw itself, and DEWALT's inclusion of a table side release lever makes swapping riving knives and blade guards an absolute breeze. The fence maxing out at 32.1/2 inches was dead on accurate from the jump. Tracking was consistent straight through the cut. Moving on at number 4, we have the Upstreman Work M1 Pro Portable Table Saw. The Upstreman Work M1 Pro Portable Table Saw stands out as a top choice for DIY enthusiasts and professional woodworkers who value precision and portability. Weighing just 36 pounds, it's easy to transport using its onboard handle. With a powerful 13-amp motor reaching speeds of 5,700 RPM, you'll easily cut through wood, plywood, and even thin aluminum. The adjustable cut depth and angle let you tackle 90 degrees cross cuts or 0 to 45 degrees bevel cuts. Safety features include a blade guard and rip fence. Customers appreciate its performance, though some mention issues with plastic parts and miter gauge accuracy. At number 3, we have the DEWALT table saw for job sites. For those who need a reliable and portable table saw for job sites, DEWALT's DWE7485 stands out as an exceptional choice. This compact powerhouse features a 15-amp motor reaching 5,800 RPM, ensuring smooth, precise cuts every time. Weighing just 54 pounds, it's easy to transport without sacrificing performance. The 8.1/4-inch blade is perfect for ripping 4 multiplied by 8 sheet goods, aided by a rack and pinion fence for quick adjustments. You'll appreciate the onboard storage, oversized stop button, and effective dust collection system. Users love its power and portability, although the fence design could use some refinement. At number 2, we have the Bosch GTS1510 10-inch portable job site table saw. Bosch really nailed the balance with this saw. It rides on a gravity rise stand, and it's clearly built for those who need to move their saw around, but still expect it to perform like a burly stationary beast. The stand's open frame design acts as its own base when folded and stood upright, which makes storage a whole lot easier. Add in the solid rubber wheels, and it's as nimble as a hunting dog. While the assembly wasn't my favorite part of this experience, the moving parts of the gravity rise system relies on precise alignment. The saw was up and making cuts in less than 45 minutes, which is pretty fair. That said, the system is well worth the assembly patience. Just hit the foot pedal, and the entire unit lifts smoothly into working position. And finally, at number 1, we have the Metabo HPT Jobsite table saw. Of all the table saws I tested, this was by far the easiest to set up straight from the box. Like the DEWALT, the legs tuck away and spring out via individual ball joint buttons embedded in the chassis. Onboard storage for everything is excellent, and the rip fence was accurate when I showed the desired ruler line against the red indicator as opposed to covering it. On that note, this saw has the largest table in our product field, and the fence extends to a full 35 inches to the right of the blade. Add to that the built-in bed extender to the rear of the table, and this becomes an ideal saw for ripping large sheet materials. The saw has a nice, steady power, tracking through 5/8-inch plywood and dimensional lumber with little effort. It handled crosscuts equally well in both materials. I did struggle with pressure-treated 4x4s as the motor bogged a bit and I had to really push. Dust collection, meanwhile, was excellent. There was minimal throwback of sawdust over the blade and toward me. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.